Let's do this. Hey, Oliver.
Hi.
All right, buddy. What day are we on?
Day 6.
Day 6. It's December 6th. Lego City Advent Calendar. Yeah. Let's go. Pitter patter. Let's get at it.
The cake man.
Cake man.
Or he.
He looks like he is a kind of a train conductor.
With a cake.
And maybe he's offering refreshments of some sort.
Wait, so he got that?
He might go with that. Boop, boop. Got you. Let's build this.
So it's
Easy peasy build today.
Hang on. So, like that.
Can you step closer to the table? I'm trying to get you in the light, but you guys want to build up high, not down low on the table.
Wait, I'm a little too slow.
Oh, that's not his hands.
What if it was? He would be the cake head.
Okay, good. Yeah, so you
The cake head.
want too much child.
Don't worry, I got another one.
You have extras? Okay.
Finished.
Ta-da!
Wait, hang on. Nope.
Oh, no. Oh, no, no, ta-da. Scratch that. Not yet. We're not ready yet. Hold up.
Okay.
Okay. Would you like some assistance?
Yeah.
Okay, Chloe, hold this, please.
Yeah.
You have to make sure you hold it here. Okay.
Wait.
What?
Maybe if that train conductor goes on that little train that we did on day 5.
I don't know if it'll fit, but I mean, we can surely try.
Yeah.
Where you going with the camera, dude? Yo.
Wait, how about we have
Yo,
2 of
girl.
it in his hand?
But look, do you see that? We sure can since you're extra. It's sprinkles.
Yeah.
It's green. Ooh. Holy cow, kid. You okay? Okay. Okay, we have sprinkles. They are green and red sprinkles on, looks like a sugar cookie. You have to hold it still, please. Otherwise, nobody's gonna see anything. And then,
Like that.
crazy. Like, it always has a little ledge or a lip, some people call it, that you have to try to turn sideways.
I'm trying my best to hold it.
I know, we're supposed to do that one too. 2 cookies.
I'll be like nomming on them. Do niblets. Oh my god. It's like he's gonna drop it.
Oh, okay. Well, you can fix his little leg so he stands.
Listen.
Get him to stand up. Ta-da!
Carbon. Hi.
Well, Mr. Tippy has cookies for all the train passengers. That's awesome. Well, thanks, my guy. What do we say to the people?
Thanks for watching. If you want to be here for day 7, which is gonna come tomorrow, which is gonna be so good. Which I think I could love it.
I think.
And make sure to leave 1 sub and 1 like.
Help us get 1 more subscriber and help us get 1 more like. Yes, Oliver.
Wait, why do we need 1 more like?
Because we just need 1 more like. I don't know. Seems like a good thing to say. Come back tomorrow for day 7, door 7. And thanks for watching, friend. Okay, bye.
Bye.